Okay, I'm in the lift. Let's go get some breakfast, get some coffee. I'm hungry. Well, it's very bright out here. I left my shades in the room. Just had breakfast, go up, shower, and then we go to London. Let's go. Just doing a little bit of practice, kill some time in the room. Here we go. That's hard. Okay, I've got my shades now. Just checked out of hotel. We're about to jump in the van to go to London now. We'll get there a little bit early, have a look around, and let's go. Day 2.
Let's see what is that way, what's around there. Should we just head that way? Yeah, come on then.
So creepy. Really? For this Vietnamese coffee.
I couldn't turn around and say it.
Yeah,
We're
it's
not
bloody
getting you
good.
anything to return them, so. Yeah.
So we chose some Vietnamese food. I had a lovely coffee, very tasty. We're going to back to the van now for load-in, then sound check, and the show time. In the process of getting everything mic'd up. Yeah, sound check is done. We're in London. It is cold out here. Brisk. Sound check's done. We've got a couple of mates coming down tonight. It's been lovely to see them. All sounding good, feeling good. We are ready for the show. And yeah, so we had some sweet coffee earlier. Some Vietnamese coffee. It was gorgeous. Yeah, London, tour day 2. I'm excited, we're rolling. Here we go. just off stage. That was sick. Yes! The aftermath. So we're just waiting on the van now, and then we go home. Load it all up. A lot of fun there. I loved it. A bit tired, but I'm buzzing. Sick time, London. I've been told that tomorrow Nottingham is sold out, so, and Ipswich is going to sell out as well. So. Oh,